What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? You see the before, you see the after. What's poppin', YouTube? We're doing another alopecia hair loss solution because y'all like it so much. Your girl had to go ahead and, bring it on back. We are doing a full sew-in with a 5x5 lace closure, 22 inches of my hairline snatched, in the body wave. You see that little braid right there, Taneasha? You could have braided that all the way down. That's adding tension, okay? That's adding tension. How y'all doing, new subscribers? How y'all doing, my return people? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Okay, we went ahead off cam and did what? We deep conditioned. We gave her a protein strengthening treatment to go ahead and prepare her hair for this installation. She can wear this install for 2 to 3 months. Nothing longer than that. It's still going to be in there like swimwear. She comes once a month for her maintenance, okay? Because we're still going to go ahead and do hair care. Regardless of you having a wig, a sew-in, or whatever you got, your scalp is not the same as your tresses, okay? So we want to make sure it's not funky, give you a hug, and I'm going to pass out. Co-wash who? You need to wash your scalp. We do that up in here for you, just in case you missed a scrub-a-dub-dub. I'm not taking your word for it. They be like, I washed my hair, I shampooed my hair 2 days ago. Okay, that's nice and dandy. You still getting up in this bowl, though. You still get up in this bowl. Now, if you are new, I do have a little tone deaf issue, psycho-boo-boo. I'm a little vocal, okay? So turn your volumes down, okay? Put it on mute. I do not feel like searching YouTube music to find a free copyright music. So if you wonder, I'm going to talk this whole video. Yeah, I sure am. Because I have a lot to say, okay? I have a lot to say. Now, we in a new location, ripping it out, getting it in. We going to go ahead and tuck and fold and put the braid away. Now you like, dang, her hair don't look like she is thinning to a certain degree. I be having people be like, my hair thinning, I ain't got alopecia. It's 11 forms of hair loss. If your hair is not at its full density, thinning, it's alopecia. Last time I checked my trichology degree. It don't have to be, a shiny spot. It don't have to be dramatic. Hair fall of any kind is a deficiency. That's not normal. If your hair's not in its normal cycle, the anagen, catagen, intelligence stages are just regular flowing, trichology, then therefore you suffering from a little bit. It could be temporary, it could be permanent, it could be in a dormant stage. But do not correct the professional when you seeking out for help. Let me stop playing. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and give her some little extra support, stitching that closure down, that 5x5. We already bleached the knot, we already customized it, we added on the little something I went back to. I don't want to give her a headache, so we just went ahead with, I think it's a 2-inch elastic band on both sides. You can cut it accordingly. It gives you another layer of support. I do suggest you just don't just have it there and not sew the elastic band on that cornrow. And I do suggest you add netting over top of it, so you're going to be able to sew it, but do whatever you want to do. She's getting her money and getting her hair done at the same time. Why did I blur out her identity? Listen, it's a gift for any client with hair loss to even let me record them, okay? It's not easy out here in these streets. I don't force any client to show their face. I'm not a makeup artist, so I really don't need to show their face. Long as I'm able to show the before and after and give women confidence and show what I'm able to do, it's a win for me, okay? So please forever hold your peace in them comments. Do not use that little index finger to be like, Taneasha, why? Why you need to know? You better call her up. You better call her up. Why do you need to know who they are? Why? Mind your medals. Mind your battles. We're going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. My professional clients, they like their 2 bundles and their closure, okay? Now, if you a little, circumference challenged, vocabulary word, If you're a little circumference challenge, you are 23 circumference or bigger. Your head is a little, gifted because you got a lot of brain up there. You probably gonna need a whole, 2.5, 3 bundles. But it's whatever you want, okay? It's whatever you want. I don't care how many bundles you want in your head. I do care, but I'm gonna keep that to myself and my journal. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazz. I like to have fun on my videos, no shade. But we just going back and forth and just really securing and making that seamless. So right now, this part right here, I went ahead and sectioned out the closure. You know that little ring part? I put that down. Use a little curl wax to go ahead and get away the flyaways. It shouldn't be no flyaways. My hair don't have any crazy fillers in it, so you're gonna get your real inches out of that closure. We use an 18-inch closure because we're giving her a little, layer look. And I'm going to go ahead and meet that with the last weft. So therefore, it's really, really seamless. I'm stepping up my skills. I'm going backwards to, some of the things with the hot comb and elastic band and stuff. So you like, Taneasha, you be changing it. I'm always going to change up stuff. I'm always going to evolve, okay? I got to figure out what's the best solutions and what's going to last a client who does not have a canvas to hold that extension installation. You see the glitter. You see the glitter. Anyway, I love y'all on my YouTube. Thank you for being patient. No shade, no cap when it pertains to, I'm saying a cap wrong, ain't I? I don't know what I'm supposed to say and when I'm supposed to say it, but I feel like I need to go ahead and, reach the younger population as well. So I'm throwing that in there, but I'm going to go ahead and throw it back because it just does not flow, okay? We're going to go ahead and leave cap. And what year was it made? I don't know, but we just going through with the little hot comb. I didn't feel like plugging up the stove. It's not necessary unless it's your real hair. Then, okay, I'm cracking out the iron, okay? When I crack out the iron, don't be like, ooh, that's for me. You know it's for you. Fast motion, and it's nothing different, back and forth. I'm going to go ahead and use my little concealer to give her a more seamless look. My young dolls be wanting the baby hairs. I need to step my baby hair game up a little bit. I got to get my personal preference out of it. That's probably what's hindering my vision. But I think I am a little bit better. Don't come for me. If the installation is in good and you go ahead and do what you need to do, I don't need to hide the damn lace with a bunch of finger waves in the front. But whatever, hold your peace. It's an age requirement when you want baby hairs and posh hair designs. Let me stop playing. If you over a certain age, we need to do wisps. But, if you young, you can go ahead and get your Missy Elliott on. I'm not mad at you. We're going to go ahead and use my Baby Bliss curling iron. I have not whipped that joker out in forever. I be forgetting that I have multiple tools. I just be wanting to use the rose gold all the daggone time. And if we are doing some big ocean curls, then use the curling iron, Taneasha. Yes, you can curl with a flat iron, but why the hell did I buy this at the IBS show? To use them. So let's go ahead and use them. We're going to curl and bake with the little pin curl so she can go ahead and get her a couple days of curls. Now, I can go ahead and let it fall, okay? But it's doing what it need to do. So with all that being said, your girl is back all the way back. Had to get my gladiator strength. Had to get my Popeye spinach for these Atlanta streets, child. I really adore my clients for real. They give me strength where I did not know I had strength. Mentally, I had to go ahead and take a hiatus off alopecia. They was going ahead and plucking your girl's whole everlasting mental status. But this is not for the weak, meaning you're dealing with so many different emotions. People are dealing with hair loss. It's not easy. And by me being an empath, I really was feeling all those emotions. So make sure you go ahead and always give yourself a mental break or you will break down. And that's not fair for all the people that is out here looking for somebody to go ahead and give them confidence. So I had to go ahead and step back in the ring. But you see the aftermath. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching and coming back and seeing my channel. Because y'all could be doing something else with your time, for real. You could be doing something else with your time. So going ahead and getting these videos edited and y'all commenting it makes me keep it going, okay? I'ma see y'all next week. Make sure y'all put yourself first. And as always, deuces. Until next time, I can't wait to see y'all next week.